CA equals to 9 centimeter, angle ABC equals to angle BCA equals to 45 degree. This is 45 degree. This means remaining angle solution. Solution में क्या करेंगे? This is solution. Solution में हमें एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. लेट अस कोई ट्रायंगल है, इसमें लेंगे ABC, कोई भी ट्रायंगल लिया ABC, तो ये डेफिनेट राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. क्यों है राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल? बिकॉज दो एंगल कितने हैं? 45 है. तो थर्ड एंगल कितना होगा? मस्ट बी 90 डिग्री. मस्ट बी 90 डिग्री. देयरफॉर हियर दिस एंगल B, this angle we have to take B, and this angle we have to take C, and this angle is A. This means ABC equals to angle ACB. This angle is 45 degree, and this angle is also 45 degree. This is angle also 45 degree. This must be 45 plus 45, 90, and 90 plus 90, 180 degree. This means this angle must be 90 degree. This angle कितना हो सकता है? होगा डेफिनेटली 90 डिग्री होगा. ये एंगल कितना होगा? 90 डिग्री होगा. ओके, इट्स 90 डिग्री. दिस इम्प्लाइज नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट दी, हाउ डू वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल. फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. ओके, व्हाट इज द फार्मूला ऑफ ट्रायंगल? एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट. बेस इनटू हाइट. तो इसका फार्मूला क्या होता है? हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट. तो इसका बेस क्या है? AC. बेस क्या है? AC. और हाइट क्या है? AB. लेकिन गिवन क्या है? यहाँ पे दिया है CA इक्वल्स टू 9 डिग्री. CA इक्वल्स टू 9 सेंटीमीटर. CA इक्वल्स टू 9. B and C 45. CA, what is CA? CA is a 9 centimeter. CA is a 9. Base is given here. Base is given here. ओके, तो एक रूल है. एक रूल क्या है कि यहाँ पे देखो, एज देर आर टू सेम एंगल्स, देर आर टू इक्वल एंगल्स. दिस इज इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. दिस इज अ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल. दिस मीन्स दिस एंगल 45 डिग्री and 45 degree is same, and this is one of the 90 degree. This means this is a isosceles triangle. This is a isosceles triangle. This is a isosceles triangle. Therefore, the property of isosceles triangle is two angles are same. This means the opposite side of the same angle is also same. As this side is 9 centimeter, opposite to the 45 degree. This side also the 9 centimeter. This side also the 9 centimeter. This means that this triangle has a base 9 centimeter. Therefore, base, what is base here? Base equals to AC. What is the value of AC here? 9 centimeter. And what is the height here? हाइट कितनी है? हाइट BC. BC equals to 9 centimeter. Then find the area. Area will be equals to area of triangle ABC equals to half into AC base into BC. Right? This means 1 by 2, 9 into 9. 9 into 9, 81. 81 by 2 centimeter square. Further solving, we get the answer. For this. BC is a 7 centimeter. BC is a 7 centimeter. Angle BC is a 90 degree. C is a central angle, so therefore C is a 90 degree. And angle, measure of angle BCA is a 90 degree. Comma. And CA is also given. CA equals to 11 centimeter. Find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. First of all, draw the triangle. And it is given that it is a 90 degree. This means this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. We will draw right angle triangle here. This is the right angle triangle. And here given that C is a central. C is a 90 degree. C is a 90 degree. Therefore, we will take C is a 90. And A is somewhere ACB or BCA, right? Okay, that is BCA. And here given that BC is a 7 centimeter. BC is a 7 centimeter. And given CA is a 11 centimeter. C is a 11 centimeter. As it is shown here, CV is a base and AB is a AC. BC is a height. Therefore, solution here given BC equals to 7 centimeter, CA equals to 11 centimeter, and we know that the area of triangle A, B and C equals to half of base into height. Half of base into height. What is base? This will be equals to, you consider as this is half. What is base? CA. And height is a CB. Put the value and solve. You get an answer. 1 by 2. It is a 7. CA is a 11 centimeter. CA is a 11 centimeter. And CB is a 7 centimeter. Using the rule of BODMAS, solve this one. 11 into first we will divide this. What is BODMAS? BODAM. BODMAS. First divide, then multiply. Divide this one. 11 by 2, 5.5. 5.5 into 7. This will be 38.5 centimeter square. 38.5 centimeter square is the answer. Have you got this? This means here there is base and height is given. By putting this value base and height, you can solve this and you get the answer. Write down. AC equals to 9 centimeter and angle CBCA is 50 centimeter, 50 degree. Angle BCA is 50 degree and angle ABC 40 degree. Okay, it's a 40 degree. Find area of triangle. Find area of triangle ABC. Okay, here give a solution. Solution given. What is given? AB is equals to 40 centimeter. AC equals to 9 centimeter. AC equals to 9 centimeter. And angle BCA equals to 50 degree and angle ABC equals to 40 degree. Okay, as here this angles, two angles are given. First we will draw. This is 50 degree, this is 40 degree. The total sum will be angle BCA. Here sum of the angle BCA plus angle ABC will be equals to, this is a 50 degree and here this is a 40 degree. This will be 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. And we know that in the triangle there are three angles. Therefore the third angle should be 90 degree or must be 90 degree. Must be, because the total sum of the angle is a 180 degree. Therefore the remaining angle will be the remaining angle will be 90 degree. Therefore we will draw. This is right angle triangle. Therefore this confirm that this is right angle triangle. We will draw a triangle. is a triangle. Okay, triangle A. It is given that A, C and angle B are given. Angle C and angle B are given. Therefore, this angle A, ACB or ABC or CBA, BCA. This is a BCA, is a 50 degree, and this is a 40 degree. This is a 40 degree, and this must be a 90 degree. Okay. Therefore, this is right angle triangle, and here is given also AB is a 40 centimeter. AB is a 40 centimeter, and again AC is a 9 centimeter. This is a 9 centimeter. This means AB considered to be the base, and CA is considered to be the height. And we know that the area of right angle triangle or any triangle is a, what is the formula? Half base into height. Base into height. Here base is a AB. Base is a AB. Therefore, this is a AB into height. Height is a AC. Height is a AC. Put the value here. Then you get half AB. What is AB? 40 centimeter. We will consider centimeter. We will not take centimeter here because we know that centimeter into centimeter square, and this will be AC. AC is a 9 centimeter. AC is a 9 centimeter. First we will divide this one. 14 divided by 2, 7. 7 into 9 will be 63 centimeter square, because centimeter into centimeter square. This is the area. This is the area of triangle. Area of triangle. Right now.